Programming your Honda Element key fob involves entering program mode to sync with the immobilizer system. First, ensure all doors are unlocked to prevent accidental alarm triggers. Next, quickly turn the ignition key from the off position to the on position and back to off 3 times within 10 seconds. After the third cycle, leave the key in the on position. The car should now be in program mode, indicated by a beep or light flash. This manual method has been standard since the Element's production era from 2003 to 2011 and remains effective as of November 2025. Once in program mode, you must pair the key fob. Press any button, lock, unlock, or panic on the key fob. The vehicle should respond with a horn beep or light flash, confirming successful pairing. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat the button pressing step for each within 10 seconds. To exit program mode, turn the ignition key to the off position. Test all programmed key fobs to ensure they lock and unlock the doors remotely. If programming fails, double-check timing precision or consider that the fob battery may need replacing. For persistent issues, consult a professional mechanic or Honda dealership. Remember to use genuine or high-quality aftermarket fobs with the correct frequency for your Element, 314.4 MHz.